hallway, dust on the floor. Mother folds letters she's counted before. Names on the mantle, framed in a row. One more black ribbon she doesn't let go. Hear the sound of war in the rattle of the windows, in the whispered prayers that never leave the door. It's in every empty cradle, every coat that hangs unused. Oh, the loudest guns are the quiet sound of war. Fields left in stubble, rust on the plow. Children play soldier, they've learned it somehow. Church bells are ringing, half-hearted, unsure. No one knows what victory is meant to stand for. Hear the sound of war in the rattle of the windows, in the whispered prayers that never leave the door. It's in every empty cradle, every coat that hangs up. Who taught the sky to carry this smoke? Who taught our hearts to live on hope? Oh, if peace is a language we've forgotten how to speak, will we find it in the ruins when the cannons finally sleep? Hear the sound of